All right, we are moving on to another update of the pictures coming in of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath arriving in Ayodhya. He was supposed to come in yesterday and visit Ayodhya, but it was called off and it was rescheduled for today. And now it is being said that he will be visiting the adjoining temples, will be doing darshan and will be then taking stock of the situation just before the Prime Minister arrives on the 5th when the grand Bhumi Pujan takes place. So the entire district that has been spruced up, painted in yellow, and the Chief Minister also advising people to stay indoors and to light up diyas. And this will be in the preparations that have been taking place for the Bhumi Pujan, for the foundation laying ceremony, where the Prime Minister and many other dignitaries who will be attending this event on the 5th of August in Ayodhya. So there is Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and he will be doing darshan at Hanuman Gadi as well, and making the similar appeal to all of those Ayodhya Vasis to stay indoors and to light up diyas. Let me go across to Piyush, getting us those live updates from Ayodhya itself. So Chief Minister already there, Piyush. We're looking at his pictures. The other deputy CMs have already visited Ayodhya. Now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking in the last minute details of the preparations. Piyush? We'll be getting Piyush in just a bit, but those are the live pictures coming in a short while back when Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, arrived shortly in the Ayodhya district. The visit that was rescheduled for today, and the last minute detailings and the touch-ups that would be needed for Ayodhya just before the grand event of the Ram Janmabhoomi foundation stone laying ceremony that will be taking place and will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister himself. There has been many critiques and questions that have continuously been raised on part of the visit of the Prime Minister and the event altogether. Piyush is with us. Piyush, last minute detailings that the Chief Minister himself is looking at before the event takes place.
Amita, day before yesterday, day before tomorrow, beg your pardon, is going to be a grand event where Prime Minister will be here for the stone laying ceremony of the construction of Ram Temple. And before that, Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, has now reached Ayodhya, and he is scheduled to go 2 to 3 places. What we are learning is that he will also be holding a meeting with Chief of Ram Janmabhoomi Trust, where he will be discussing about as to what all preparations have been done and what all needs to be done. Let us also tell to our viewers is that a grand celebration will take place. A grand event is scheduled to take place on August 5, and before that, every corner of Ayodhya has been painted with yellow color, and this has been done to give it a look of Treta Yuga when Lord Rama ruled the city of Ayodhya. What we are also learning is that lakhs of earthen pots to be lit at the banks of a Saryu river to give it a divine look. Moreover, the mayor of Ayodhya has decided to play Ram Dhun on around 3,000 speakers. Those are installed at every corner of Ayodhya to give it a divine look. So indeed, these are the preparations what we are picking which have been done, and Yogi Adityanath has reached here Ayodhya to take stock of the preparations. Those are now being done. What we are picking is that by tomorrow evening the preparations will be completed, and after evening of 4th of August the city will be sealed from every entry gate, because after that only VVIPs will be allowed to enter, and then further things will take place. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be going to Hanuman Gadi, Ram Ki Padi. He will also be meeting Chief of Ram Mandir Trust, and also will be holding meetings with the officials who are already present here in Ayodhya, who are busy in doing preparations for the grand event. So these are the schedule. That's the schedule of Yogi Adityanath. What we are also learning is that he will be staying for around 2 to 3 hours and likely to go back by 5:30 p.m. Yesterday itself he was scheduled to visit to Ayodhya but after the demise of a minister in Uttar Pradesh government due to COVID-19, he had to cancel his plan, and today he has come here to look into the preparations those have been done or are yet to be done. Today in the morning itself, he spoke to Chief of Ram Mandir Trust, Nitya Das Gopal, where he detailed about the kind of preparations those have been done by the people here in Ayodhya and what all needs to be done, and to give it a final touch and to look into the preparations those have been done or are yet to be done. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now arrived here. He, along with PM Modi and other top officials of BJP and from RSS, will be sharing stage on August 5, where this grand event will take place of Bhumi Pujan of Ram Janmabhoomi. So it's going to be a grand event, mega event, and the entire city has been colored with yellow paint to give it a divine look and also give it a look of Treta Yuga. What we're also picking is that lightings have been done at every corner. Every house will be lit, and earthen pots will be lit at the banks of Saryu River. So these are the preparations those are now being done. Posters of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and PM Modi have been put up at every corner, every house, and also different flags have been erected at a rooftop of every house. So these are the preparations which we can see not only in the houses of Ayodhya Vasi, but also in the markets of Ayodhya. And to give it a final touch, to look into the preparations those have been done, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is here. We'll try to speak to him and try to understand as to what all preparations need to be done, and we'll try to understand that what are his further plans, because only one day is left. What we are learning is that by tomorrow evening everything will be done, and after that Ayodhya city will be sealed from every entry point.
All right, so those are the live pictures coming in of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in Ayodhya and taking stock of the preparations taking place. But also, Piyush, when we look at the key faces, the important faces of the Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi movement, now they will be missing from that grand event. Even Uma Bharti has just said that she will be skipping the event to follow the COVID protocols.
Well, yes, Amita, this is what she has tweeted. She has said that she will be leaving from Bhopal for Ayodhya by tomorrow evening, and she will be reaching in Ayodhya. But she has said that, she will not be attending due to the COVID-19, and she doesn't want to get into the touch of any person who might be infected with COVID-19. Looking at that, she has also decided to give her name to PMO office and also to remove her name from the list of invitees, and that has been done by Uma Bharti herself. She has also said that she will be going and visiting the Ram Janmabhoomi temple once everything is done, once people leave from Ayodhya, and then the congregation goes back. And this is what Uma Bharti has also decided. Not only Uma Bharti, but there are many other faces like LK Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, even they are going to skip. What we are picking is that they might join the event via video conferencing, citing their health issues. But Uma Bharti in a tweet has clarified that she will be attending, she will be going to Ram Janmabhoomi only after the event comes to an end and people leaves from Ayodhya. This has been done so that she doesn't come into contact of large gathering where people might be infected with COVID-19. So this is what the details Uma Bharti has given via her Twitter handle. Moreover, she has informed that she has given her name to the trust and PMO office to remove her name from the list of invitees so that there is no such confusion. So this is what we are picking. There are many other people who are not coming, but on the other side, big shots from RSS, from BJP, they will be there. The PM Modi will be there, and around 5 people are going to share stage with PM Modi. PM Modi will be here in Ayodhya for at least 3 hours.
Live pictures of the Chief Minister, as Piyush is also getting us all the details of the last-minute touches that has been given by the Chief Minister himself, taking stock of the preparations and how Ayodhya has been completely spruced up. There has been a significant beefing in the security, and also there will be many important names who will be skipping this event altogether because of the COVID protocols. But preparations are on in full swing to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 5th when the ceremony happens.